Walking. The absolute tranquilizer of the soul. It is the most natural and economical way to improve physical and mental health. See why. If we wanted to describe walking, it would be the magic medicine. Why magic? Because it is the most natural and economical way to improve our physical and mental health. The benefits to our body are more or less known to everyone, regardless of whether we choose not to walk but to use the car even for very short distances. Walking reduces the risk of heart attack, helps with weight loss, prevents stroke, and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and many other diseases. But in addition to the benefits to the physical health of the person, it also contributes the most to mental health. The human body is magical, and its functions are even more magical. So by walking 30 minutes a day, the production of endorphins in the body increases, and the levels of stress, anger, and fatigue decrease. It generally creates a sense of well-being and relaxation to the point that it can reduce the symptoms of mild depression. Especially if the exercise is done in an open space, in a park, near the sea, or in general, the benefits to our health are invaluable, as we recharge our batteries with extra energy, which we need to cope with the stressful rhythms of everyday life. Unfortunately, nowadays, more and more people feel alone. The feeling of loneliness is blamed for severe damage to our health. It is compared to other factors that undermine it, such as smoking and obesity. Therefore, addressing this problem is of utmost importance and priority for our physical and mental health. Every time we walk, we shield ourselves from depression through natural mechanisms. In addition, walking helps us to improve our self-image since through exercise, we exercise, and at the same time, we have the feeling of achieving and completing a goal. During the walk, we give ourselves time to meditate and redefine many things, situations, and relationships with the people around us. In other words, it is a combination of body and soul. Either way, walking keeps loneliness and depression at bay.